What's crack-a-lackin' YouTube? How's it going? Well, in today's video, we are looking at the Say My Name scam, okay? So we're gonna check this out. So thumbs up the video if you're an Uber driver or an Uber passenger. Do not fall for this scam. Let's get cracking, baby. And really quickly before we get started, if you are a gig driver and you wanna get $10, there's a new app called Solo, which is an app that helps drivers manage their expenses and even gives drivers guaranteed pay every time they go out and drive. They're gonna give you $10 for our audience signing up with the link and just trying it out for free. So use the link below for Solo and let's get started. So today's video, we are reacting to Daybreak Driver, so make sure to smash the thumbs up button on the video and check out his channel. But without further ado, let's get started.
Who are you?
No, I just asked who are you here to pick up?
Yeah. Taylor. Wait. I can only, is there only 4 people? Yeah, Taylor. Yeah. I can only take 4 people.
Why did you just say that?
Why, what?
Okay,
Hey, you
can only take 4 people?
Yeah, I can only take 4 people.
He can only take 4
Bro, they're trying to squeeze in an extra people?
people is what he said.
You can sit on my
You can sit on my lap, he said. Like that's not illegal or anything. Like, you don't even ask the driver. That's an entitled passenger right there. You gotta cancel right then and kick him out.
No. I can only take 4. What? Alright.
He goes, what? Like, you're not gonna let me break the law in your car, so you might, you know, get your license removed and deactivated from Uber, and you might get a ticket for us. What? You ain't gonna risk that for us for a $5 ride? What?
It's a Prius.
Come on.
Oh, man.
Dang, they're all squeezing in
I
there.
can only take 4 people.
Yeah, take 4 people.
Am I trying to break my car?
Yeah.
You're good, man.
Oh, he said you're good, man. That person is so entitled. That they, you know what? They deserve to get banned, deactivated. The passengers deserve to get deactivated from Uber. This driver, he deserves the thumbs up. Go check out his channel. He deserves kudos for actually following the dang law. You know, I've been in this situation as a driver, and I have to say I did end up accepting them and I did end up going along with it because they were really drunk for one, but number 2, they were so like forward with it. I felt like if I would have kicked them out, they would have fought me. But like, you know, this guy's, you know, more strong than me.
What's the reason for your house?
So where we gonna go?
When? What's the reason for your house? Guys, you have to do something.
I can't take 4 people out there.
Can you just go, please?
Oh my gosh.
Are you serious?
Dude, shut up.
Alright.
Get out.
Can you cancel?
No, you can cancel.
No, you can cancel, man.
I've been waiting here.
No, you can cancel, bro.
They telling the driver to cancel. They're like, we broke the law. We were trying to scam you. You cancel. This is a scam. The passenger trying to scam the driver. You know why? Because they're trying to get a cheaper ride by not getting an XL and not getting 2 cars. They should have ordered 2 Ubers, or even better, they should have ordered an XL car. But they wanted to be cheap, and you better bet they're probably, number 1, not tipping because they're trying to cheap out already, and number 2, they're probably gonna report the driver and try to get their money back.
I can cancel.
Yeah, you can cancel.
I just pulled up.
Seriously, man, like, seriously, like, you can't take us?
First of all, I asked you who you were picking up, and you asked me who are you getting.
Yeah,
And
And no, that's not how Lyft
Just cancel, man.
Yo, I got
Either
cash.
take
I got
us
cash.
home or
I got cash.
cancel,
I'll
bro.
give you extra cash, man. I'm sorry, man. I'll give you extra cash.
It's not about the cash, man.
It's not cash.
Obviously it is.
You're...
It's about breaking the dang law. You're trying to tell the driver to break the law.
About it.
No, don't. I'm sorry. That's rude.
Dude,
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Just ignore. I'm sorry, man. Let me
No,
just give us
it's
the
not,
cash. Yeah.
it's not even about
So
that.
you either
Okay,
cancel
guys,
or
let's
you-
get
For
out.
real.
Let's get out. Alright. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to just say I'm not.
No, it's whatever. I'm not stressed.
Yeah, you're fine. Cash? Or no?
No.
No, it's not good.
Yeah.
It's not enough.
Nah.
Nothing. Nothing's not enough. If we give you some more cash,
Nah, I think it's just better if you guys left.
that's.
Yeah, for real.
How much we got?
Man, I don't want any cash, man.
Okay.
For real, dude.
Alright, let's get out. God, wait, bro. You know, okay.
He can't pick up another ride until he gets his own bus, so.
Oh my gosh. I hate those people. I'm sorry, hate is such a strong word, but like those people literally suck.
That's dumb as hell. Abby, get up. Abby. No, he's not doing cash. Abby.
No, I don't want to.
They're throwing cash at him.
He's complaining about...
About females. They should have given money because, you know, he missed out on that ride. And they're wasting his time. He could have been making money. So you know what, Daybreak Driver, I'm gonna subscribe to you. You did a phenomenal, absolute job during that ride. You know, you kept calm for one. I myself, I mean, I know a lot of other drivers wouldn't have. But Daybreak Driver, I would love to have you on the channel. So look at this. If you're watching this, we'll definitely have you do a guest video on the channel, or we'll do an interview with you. I'd love to talk with you about your experience as a driver. You look like you've done quite a bit. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching today's video. Let me know about my new studio setup. I'm in my living room. I know it's a little different, but I don't know. I wanted to change it up a little bit. So thanks for watching today's video. You guys are the best. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.